Coupon Queen, and I wanted to post a quick video for the top 5 best Walgreens deals to take advantage of starting next week. So these deals will be active October 13th through the 19th. It is a little bit of a slower week, but there are still a few good deals that I want to go ahead and take advantage of. So I wanted to share them with you so you guys can get prepared for next week. The inserts for Sunday's paper, there is only going to be one insert, but they do have some pretty good coupons. So I would still recommend at least buying one paper or purchasing some of the pre-clipped coupons on the couponmarketplace.com. It's the cheapest place that I've found. I usually get my coupons in 2 to 3 days, which is awesome. And they're all 10 cents a piece. Regardless of the value, it could be a $5 coupon. It could be a 50-cent off coupon. It's going to be 10 cents, which is awesome. If you use WeCoupon Clips, it's a lot more expensive. It depends on the value of the coupon. Some coupons are 30, 40, 50 cents. So that can really eat into the deal. So I try to kind of stay away from that website. So let's go ahead and dive into these deals. The first deal is going to be on soft soap or Irish Spring body wash. So this week we had a great deal on the hand soap for soft soap at Walgreens. So next week is going to be for the body wash. So the deal is buy 2, get 5,000 points back. So if you go on softsoap.com or irishspring.com, you can print off 2 75-cent coupons if you haven't done so already. So make sure you guys check that out. I'll link those websites in the description box. So you're going to buy 2. I'm going to do it with the Irish Spring. Total is going to be $7.98. You're going to use 2 of those 75-cent coupons. You're going to pay $6.49 out of pocket, but you're going to get back 5,000 points, which is the equivalent of $5. So your final cost is going to be just $1.49 for both, or 75 cents each, which is amazing because on sale they're $3.99. The next deal, it's not the best deal, but still an okay deal. It's one of their deals of the week for some P&G products, Tide, Bounty, and Charmin. The deal is buy 4, get a $6 register reward. So if you buy 2 Tide liquids, they are $4.99 each. 1 Tide Pods, that's if it's included. It just says Tide products, but it doesn't say if the Tide Pods are included, so we'll have to wait until closer to Sunday to see what they're going to wind up putting out for this. One of the Tide Pods would be $4.99. And then one of the Bounty Essentials or Charmin, they're also $4.99. For the coupons, you're going to use a $2 digital for the Tide Liquid, $2 digital for the Tide Pods, a $2 coupon for the Tide Liquid from pgeveryday.com if you didn't get the Tide coupon in your region, and then a $1 off digital coupon for Bounty or Charmin. So the total is $19.96. You're going to subtract $7 in coupons, makes it $12.96. Usually see a little bit better deals. If you haven't done the WAGS rebate deal yet, what you would do for that, you can combine it, is you would buy 6 items. So I will link that deal below. You go to wagsrebate.com and you would fill out all the information and submit your receipt. So that deal is running for a couple more months. I think it actually ends November 1st. So you have a couple more weeks to do that deal. The deal is you would buy 6 items at $4.99, and then you're going to get back a $10 gift card. So if you did it that way, you would add an additional Charmin or an additional Bounty Essentials, whichever combination to get you up to 6. You would use a $1 off Charmin coupon, another $1 off Bounty Essentials coupon that we got in the $9.29 inserts, I believe. I'll have to double check. So that's going to make for a lot better deal because you're going to get back the $10 gift card. So just a heads up on that. I submitted mine about 2 months ago. I still haven't gotten it. So I called today and they said it has been approved. It did go through. It's still processing. So just a heads up on that. It does take a while to get that $10 gift card back. But at the end of the day, you're getting $10 back. So still a great opportunity. The next deal is on Mitchum Deodorant. Definitely a stock up price. You can get it for just 99 cents. They're going to be having a deal like this at CVS as well for next week, so it's definitely a good week to stock up on some deodorant. The deal is they are on sale for $2.99. There is a $2 coupon coming in this Sunday's paper, so you're just going to pay 99 cents out of pocket, which is awesome. The last two deals are some shave and razor deals. So Schick disposable razors are on sale. Buy two, get 2,000 points. So Schick Extreme 3, they're on sale for $5.99. You're going to buy two of those. Total is going to be $11.98. You're going to use a $3 digital coupon and a $3 coupon from the 10-13 inserts from the Sunday paper. You're going to pay $5.98. You're going to get back 2,000 points. Makes it just $3.98 for two or $1.99 each. So not a bad deal on razors. And then the Schick Hydro Gel, or you can do Edge Gel as well, is in the same deal. It is some shave gel. The deal is buy two, get 2,000 points back. So you're going to get two at $2.99 each. You're going to use $2 off coupons from this upcoming Sunday's paper, the 10-13 Sunday insert. You're going to pay $3.98, get back 2,000 points. Final cost is just 99 cents each. So not bad there. It's about a 66% savings. So if you need some shave gel, or your husband needs some, or your brother needs some, definitely go ahead and stock up. And you guys can start thinking about some different cool gift baskets or anything like that for Christmas coming up as well. So if you wanted to do one for your brother, you never know what to get them, so you can kind of stock up on some little household items there for them. If you guys have any questions or anything, definitely drop a comment below. Don't forget to check out the description box for the different details on the WAGS rebate, where to get the coupons, and the website to print the Irish Spring or soft soap coupons. So make sure you check that out. And don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Thank you, and see you guys next time.